Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your headphones Philips. So, right here at the right earphone we have two controls, volume up and volume down button. You should press both of them at the same time until your headphones is disconnected from your phone. Also, I hear a voice prompt that it said Bluetooth disconnected. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now after hard reset, this earbuds should enter to prank mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!